Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video I am going to teach belly breathing. If you have not watched my video on correct breathing or how breathing relates to aging, I will request you to refer those videos first so that you understand the importance of belly breathing. You can also practice with me in this video. Lie down on your back in Shavasana, keeping your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms 2 inches away from the body, palm facing the sky. Allow your whole body to relax and place your right palm on the abdomen just above the navel. Just relax your whole body and switch your focus from the body to the breath. Feel the inflow and outflow of breath. Take your awareness to your belly where you have placed your palm and see if you can feel the palm moving up and down. If you are breathing through your belly, you will feel the up and down movement. When you inhale, the belly will slightly move up. When you exhale, it will slightly move down. Do not worry if there is no movement. Just focus your awareness on the belly. Now we will consciously try to move the belly up and down to its maximum. I will be counting for you 5 counts on inhalation, expanding the belly up to the maximum, 5 counts exhalation, relaxing the belly down. Start with me now. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and relax. Relax your body. You will feel a sense of deep relaxation after practicing belly breathing. You can also practice belly breathing sitting in the cross-legged position, keeping your spine straight, or you can also practice in the standing position, keeping your feet together, head straight, eyes closed. But out of all, I prefer to practice and teach in Shavasana because the relaxation that it gives to the whole body is just too amazing. So, yeah, this is the way I teach and practice belly breathing. Once you're done, you can come up, sit up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste. Please ignore these moves. Take care. Bye bye.